extracting metals in the middle of the activity series. The metals in the middle of the activity series such as iron, zinc, lead, copper are moderate reactive. They are present as sulfide or carbonate ore. As I told you, they are present as carbonate and sulfide ore. Metals from sulfide ore are extracted through roasting process, and the metals with carbonate ore is extracted with calcination process. Okay, so these are present at sulfide or carbonate ore. The sulfide ores are converted into oxide by heating. Firstly, sulfide ore are converted into oxide ore by heating strongly in the presence of excess of air. This process is known as roasting. As we have discussed in previous topic, by the process of roasting, we can we can extract the least reactive metals for the sulfide ores. So firstly, sulfide ore are converted into oxide by heating strongly in the presence of excess air. This process is known as roasting. Now, and the carbonate ore are changed into oxide ore. Firstly, we need to convert the sulfide and carbonate ore into oxide ore, because separation of metal from oxide ore is easy. That's why we need to separate the sulfide and carbonate ore into oxide ore. So we can convert the carbonate ore into oxide ore by the process of calcination. In calcination process, we need to heating strongly in limited air. Ore is heating strongly in limited air. The chemical reaction that take place during roasting and calcination of ore. So for roasting, example, zinc sulfide during roasting means on excess of oxygen, in the presence of excess of oxygen. Zinc sulfide ore is extracted by roasting. So roasting is a process of heating the substance with high excess amount of oxygen. So by reaction of zinc sulfide with oxygen, we will get zinc oxide. Firstly, we have to convert the sulfide ore into oxide, so we will get zinc oxide. Okay, in the same way, zinc carbonate ore is heated in the absence of oxygen, and we will get zinc oxide. In both the cases, sulfide ore and carbonate ore, firstly we will get the oxide ore. After getting oxide ore, we will separate the metals. Okay, now metal oxide are then reduced to the corresponding metal. For example, zinc oxide will reduce to the zinc, magnesium oxide will reduce to the magnesium. Okay, the corresponding metal by using suitable reducing agent such as carbon. Carbon will help to reduce the zinc oxide into zinc. When zinc oxide is heated with carbon, it is reduced to metallic zinc. In this way, we will extract the zinc.